Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Maximum time for bigger units will be 3 months, and the smaller units it will be 2 months only. Now there is going to be one single application which will be forwarded to all the other departments. Similarly, even for land conversion, which is very much necessary, we are going to empower the investment promotion board itself for change of land use. So this way it is going to cut down on the time taken for various formalities to be completed. We had to wait, the industry had to wait for permissions for a long time. And then after getting the permission, they were planning the setup. Here we have evolved a system. Yes, we are satisfied that this is a good industry. In the interest of God, you set up before your actual production starts. Then you have to, by that time you would have obtained all the basic permissions that are required from any department. So that is going to be the new thing in the entire policy. See, one thing I will tell you very clearly. You cannot have a set, suppose you say 80% reservation, practically which will not work. Once we say training, skill development, once we say incentives for adoption of green practices and local employment generation, whatever incentives or benefits which will accrue to them from the government, it will be done only if they employ the locals. So this is what will be done, and which is very much on the table, which is part of the new industrial policy. The government has planned to prepare a land bank which will be available, visible on the net, on our website, as to where actually land is available and how much land is available. So industry also knows that if I go to this industrial estate, this much land I can get. If I go to that industrial estate, I can get that much of land. Privately also, there are some people who are willing to give their land for industry. All that is going to be available like a land map with the industries department. And this is the first what we are planning. This is a draft industrial policy. It is open for suggestions from the public. I would welcome before the assembly session, because then we have to get the law passed in the assembly. Okay.